Hello, and welcome to today's video. I am an egg. Today, we are going to do something a little overwhelming. We are going to clean out my legging drawer. So, I keep all my leggings in this drawer, and it's starting not to close because I have a lot of activewear. And recently, I have been getting sent more activewear. I've been having more money, so I've been buying it myself. Because in the past, I never really had a full-time job. Now I have a full-time job, so I can buy a lot of activewear. So we're gonna clean out the drawer, and I thought you could come along with me to see like what I keep versus what I don't. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. So we just did laundry. Let's actually do this so you can see more. So we just did laundry. So I'm probably actually like 100% gonna keep all these because obviously if we just did laundry and I wore them, I recently wore them. Okay, definitely keep my CRZ leggings that I love. I did a whole review on this collection if you want to go look at it. These are Lululemon times SoulCycle leggings, which are very spandexy. I love. Also, these love, cannot get rid of. Reindeer leggings, just brought off storage for, you know, the holidays. Oh, these are the Whitney times Gymshark collection leggings, and honestly, I might have to make a whole all-time favorite legging video, but these are definitely up there in my all-time favorite leggings. As well, the OG leggings from formerly Balance Athletica, now Vitality. These are also one of my all-time faves simply because of the color. Those two are not going anywhere. I just bought these. They're my first pair of flare leggings since middle school, so yay. I just got this from a wellness retreat I went on. They're from Fabletics, which honestly, Fabletics is not my jam at all. And honestly, like, I don't think these fit super well, but the color is amazing. And so for the holidays, I obviously need to keep them. These are from CRZ Yoga, a staple, a line dupe. Oh, and then these, what are the name of these? I have like 3 pairs of these from CRZ Yoga. They're like a dupe of the Invigorate type from Lululemon, and I love them. So, keeping those. So far we haven't made any progress. Oh, and what are these? Oh, actually this is another thing I will be doing in this video, is putting my bike shorts in storage because it is cold. CRZ Yoga bike shorts, keeping, but they can go out the drawer. That's a sweatshirt drawer that also probably has to be cleaned out. Okay, let's sort through. Ooh. Okay, these are the keep. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's freaking do this. Okay, Gymshark shorts. I love these shorts. I don't know what they're called, but we're keeping them. But we're gonna put them in storage. Okay. Oh, again, another pair of OG pants, which I do love. Okay, these are okay, these are maybe for now. We're gonna put them in the maybe pile and we're gonna come back to it. Okay, I just got sent these from Halara and I liked them, but so many people like at the gym thought this was my underwear sticking out. That is enough of a reason to get rid of them for me. Okay, another pair of Halara leggings that I actually really like. They're brushed on the inside. I really don't have that many things like this, so these are gonna be a key. Okay, these are a hard one. These are Lululemon Wonder Trains. I don't know if I love the print. I genuinely don't know why I bought them because I love these leggings, but I've just never really been a tie-dye girl. And I think I was really trying to be. So this is also, but they're really nice. Okay, they're going in the maybe. This is gonna be really hard actually. Okay, biker shorts that are clearly too small. We're getting rid of these. We don't need that energy in our life. Okay, these biker shorts I also made a video about from Yuga Noga. I freaking love these, but they're gonna go in the bike short storeway. Ooh. Okay, this is also a hard one. These have been like my tried and true Lululemon like Wonder Under leggings for so long. Like they're one of my thickest pairs of leggings and I wouldn't work out in them. But I've had them for so long and they're starting to pill and like I don't know if I really want to wear this. Like, okay, these are gonna go in the maybe. Like it just feels so juvenile to wear these almost because they're not black. They're like heathered gray, but they are warm and cozy. Okay, these are also from CRZ Yoga that I got sent for a video and I like them. I don't don't know if I love. I think I have another pair really similar to this, so I'm going to put that in the maybe and then pick one of them, if that makes sense. Okay, again with these guys, they're both from Crazy Yoga and they're like really similar colors, and I just don't think I need both. And I like the feeling of these ones better, so we're gonna get rid of you. So sorry. But we're gonna keep you, even though you have strings coming everywhere. Bike shorts, again, like them, but they're gonna go away for the season. Ooh, these, I've only worn them once, but I got them again for a video, and I love the color. They're just fun and electric. Okay, these next two are really hard. These are from the original CRZ collection, and I have loved these leggings for like years. I have had these since college, and at the time I thought they were so cute. I love them so much, but I've had them for so long, and these leggings particularly, they're double lined. They're like so thick. They're almost too thick to really work out in my opinion, like if you really want to squat. And I don't think that the bottom's that flattering anymore. Okay, they're gonna go in the maybe. I can't remember the last time I wore these. And this, I love this set. It's like really cute, but again, I've just had them for so long. I'm gonna give myself these ones because I have a matching bra to this, and the set looks really good together. Okay, these are also another Sarah's Day leggings from White Fox. I love this material. Again, one of my all-time favorite materials. I've never really found anything like this. It's really thin and sweat wicking and like spandexy, but it doesn't feel, it's like also not super compressive. I just love them. I do wish I had a plain black pair in this material, but maybe one day. Okay, actually these are one of the first bike shorts I ever got, and no, we're just over this. We're over this energy. I have so many more bike shorts that are way cuter. I'm not gonna wear them. Like these bike shorts and these bike shorts. Again, way cuter, but they're gonna go away for the time being, along with these leggings, these shorts from Gymshark. Love them, but we don't need them right now. Oh, these are the ones though, no, we're gonna get rid of them. Because they're too short to be bike shorts because they're 6 inches, but they're not long. Like, they're a color I would wear like around town, but I'm not going to. Okay, again, Gymshark shorts that we love. Okay. I love the color of these Balance Athletica or Vitality pants, so I wear these all the time. Love them. Okay. Oh, again, these are actually very similar to the White Fox ones. These are just SoulCycle by SoulCycle, and I really do love them, even though we don't have a SoulCycle around me anymore. I just need to wear them organically, so keeping those. Ooh. Okay, these are Aerie leggings that I've had for years, and I feel like I have navy leggings. Yeah, I do. I have navy Lululemon leggings because these are definitely like workout leggings, and the leggings I'm wearing right now are okay. These are from Vitality. Again, super fun. I recently got them. I do actually wear them quite a bit. My like one pair of Gymshark leggings that I also really do love. I honestly kind of forgot I had these. Ooh, the Daydream set. I just recently bought this. These are not my favorite ever because they're almost too like these are lounge leggings to me, not workout leggings, but I just bought them, so I feel like I need to keep them. Genuinely. Ooh, these are another hard one. I've had these for so long. They're from Lululemon. They're the Snow Wash. They were in like 3 years ago. They were like one of my favorite leggings ever. They were in my original best leggings from Lululemon video. But again, I think it's time for them to go. Okay, we're gonna put them in the maybe again. So what I'm gonna do with all the maybes, maybe I'll say this, is me and Andrew do this thing where if you put something away and you don't see it for, I think it's a month or 2 months, and you don't wonder where it's at, you can get rid of it. Shorts from Yuganoga, keep. Oh my gosh, my original Fast and Freeze. These things have been through hell and back, but we love them. They must stay. Okay, Lilybod leggings. I love these, and I got them for $6 on Poshmark. Lilybod is very expensive, but go on Poshmark. I love the material. I love the lines on them. They're just cute. Keeping those. Okay, so maybe I bought these from Athleta to do like a Lulu comparison, like a line comparison to whatever these are called. I've never really loved Athleta, and I honestly never reach for these ever. So I'm gonna put them in the maybe, and I'm probably gonna make a video about them, comparing them to Aligns, and then get rid of them. Okay, these are also in my top 5 favorite Lululemon leggings, which I still agree with, but I just don't love the color. I don't know why actually I do know why. I bought these online, and I thought they were gonna be a different color. They're just like pukey green. But I do love the structure of the leggings, and the material is so nice. Okay, we're gonna put these in the maybes. These are like my favorite favorite running tights ever. Again, these were my top 5 best Lululemon leggings. These are the Pace somethings. I don't know. Love them. Great. Keep them forever. Okay, these aren't leggings, but they're shorts from Vitality. I do really like these. Sarah's Day / White Fox. These are the most plain pair I have in this material. Love, 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 love. Keep. Oh, these are from Emma Lou. This is a brand that a girl I work with owns. It has like a thermoplastic thing that like helps you sweat, kind of like a sauna suit. And I actually love the material. I genuinely kind of wish she made this material without the sauna thing, because I really like this material. So Emma Lou, check it out. Oh, again, I feel like I don't wear these that often anymore because these are another Sarah's Day like fun print, but I feel like I can't get rid of them. Okay, these were the other leggings I was talking about that were basically like the Crazy Yoga ones, like similar color. Yeah, they like feel the same too. I feel like I can only keep one of these. I honestly haven't reached for either of them though. I'm gonna try both these on later, and I'm only gonna keep one, and I'll put on the screen if I kept the dark or the light. These are also the Crazy Yoga dry fits, I think they are. Love them. Love, love. Well, actually, these leggings are a dupe for these leggings, which again, I don't know where I was. The camera cut off. But I was talking about, I'm gonna keep both of these. We're almost done with the stack. This is the Invigorate type from Lululemon, and this is Crazy Yoga's dupe, and I love both of them. They do feel a little bit different from each other. They're not like 100% a dupe, but I really love both of them. Oh gosh, we did not get rid of like anything. And then Crazy Yoga Air Feelings. I just got these. I really like the color. We're keeping them. They're like an Align dupe. They're probably, and if you just watch my Crazy Yoga legging comparison video, these were my favorite brush leggings, so keeping those. And then these are my Align joggers that I've had since college. They are so pilled, but they're the only pair of Align joggers I have. Not that I really reach for joggers like that much. We'll put them in the maybes. So we didn't do too great. I only got rid of, for sure, 6 pairs of leggings. And for maybes, we have 1, 8, 9, 10. And so again, I'm gonna put these like away somewhere, not in that drawer. And then if I end up being like, oh, where are those leggings? I'm gonna keep them. I'm not even gonna count. This is the pile that we're keeping. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. That's the keep pile. And then here's all my shorts that I'm also keeping, but we're just gonna put them into storage so I have more space. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully that was kind of fun, kind of informative to see which leggings I actually really like and gravitate to. Clearly have a lot, but I'm sure this is not even like, doesn't even crack the surface of what some people have, but feels good to declutter, get rid of some stuff I'm not wearing, because I have so much good stuff. I just gravitate toward the same thing. So hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.